Okay, so this is the Better Home and Gardens 12-inch retro drum fan. Right now, even in cold weather, I like to have fan and have this white noise going on. So we always keep the fan on the side. So we have been using our plastic fan for quite a while now. So we decided to try this one now. It has good reviews. So let me open this and show it to you. So as soon as I open it, you can see this is how it looks. It's really nice and simple. It's metallic. There's like a handle on the back here to lift it up, which is comfortable. I can easily lift it up, but it is definitely a little bit heavy compared to my plastic fan. So yeah, okay. There is a big cable here on the side. It has 2 prongs only. It also has a fuse, which is really nice. So when the fuse breaks, you can just re-trick it and start working on it. So let's say there is some problem, you have some electric problem at your home, you can definitely still use this without damaging your fan. On the back is the knob. You can see 0, 3, 2, 1 and so on. So this is true for all the fans. It always goes from 0 to 3 to 2 to 1. There is no assembly needed. It's a simple fan. It just stands. It's sturdy and does not move too much. You're not worried about it being unbalanced in any way. So now let me connect the plug and show it to you. Okay, you can see the wire is pretty large. This is the same size that I have for my current fan, maybe slightly larger, which is really nice so that you can place it anywhere conveniently. So now let me connect this and show it to you. Speed 3, speed 2, speed 1. So you can see no assembly needed. All you need to do is plug it in and start using it and start working on it. Simple and easy to use. Yeah, and stay sturdy on the floor and on the carpet, and easy to lift up and move around, and easy to also store and also take to some place if you want. Let's say if you want to make like some kind of a table fan, you can also place it on top of the table and you're not really worried about it. Because it's so heavy, it's a slightly heavier side, it won't move or rotate. Let me put it properly here. Yep, simple to use, that's what it says. Super comfortable and looks very pretty and nice. Okay, thank you.